Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are cooking up the turkey that I got 2 days ago. Well, the turkey that Ted and I got 2 days ago. We each got one turkey, so I got a Big Tom and Ted got a nice Jake, his first turkey. And we're gonna make some little wild turkey stir fry. So we decided to make this video after we already were in progress of cooking it, so this is just kind of what we have so far. We got the turkey heated up. We marinated that in teriyaki sauce for overnight from Sunday, and then we got baby corn, water chestnuts, broccoli, and sesame seeds in that mixture. Right now we're heating up in the microwave. We're heating some mushrooms to add to that. And over here we got some ramen noodles with some more teriyaki sauce and some mixed veggies. So that's what we got going on so far. Stay tuned for the results. Just gonna interrupt this cooking. These are the mushrooms. We're just gonna give them a little stir. Trying to film and stir these up at the same time. We added a bag of frozen mushrooms. Alright, and let's finish those up. Alright, the mushrooms are done. We're just going to drain those. Plop.
Today is April 27th, 2020, and we just made wild turkey stir fry with the turkeys we got last Saturday on the 25th. We've got a Jake. I got a Jake, my first turkey, and we got a huge Tom.
Yep, which is my third turkey and my second long beard.
Yeah. And we just cooked it up yesterday with the legs. Now we use the breast to make a delicious looking stir fry.
That's the final product.
Yeah.
Well, let's just take a bite before we pray so I can get it on film.
Alright.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. That is delicious.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Great job,
I'm
guys.
gonna eat the rest of that and call it. Alright, welcome back. We didn't film ourselves eating because we couldn't control ourselves. That's how good it was. I don't know if you could tell in our initial reaction, but we absolutely love this dish. It was incredible. It was a lot better than I was expecting. It turned out great, so we cannot complain about this. We're going to definitely do it again, and I highly recommend it if you're interested in, kind of like a stir fry with wild turkey. You can't taste the gaminess at all, which is a plus, because I know a lot of people don't like the taste of wild turkey, and if I served it to them, they wouldn't be able to tell it was wild. Just for your knowledge, we used 9 packs of ramen noodles. We kind of just guessed with the other ingredients. We used whatever we felt was enough. We used one bag of mixed vegetables, 1 bag of frozen broccoli, 1 bag of frozen mushrooms, and a whole lot of sesame seeds just sprinkled all in there. Yeah, and as far as turkey breast goes, we didn't even use that much turkey breast because we had 2 turkeys, so we had 4 breasts to use, and we only used a third of the 4 breasts because we divided those turkey breasts into 3. We divided them by 3 because we're going to make 3 meals with them. So this was the first one we made. This is for lunch on Monday, and tonight we're going to have some wild turkey fajitas. So stay tuned for that because we're going to be showing you how we made those and our experience with the fajitas, and then we're going to be having some wild turkey alfredo after that. So, and then on top of it, we kept the legs and thighs and hearts for a 4th meal that we had yesterday. So we are making this turkey last. We're making it go really far, and we are getting our money's worth out of this turkey. We are really enjoying it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some inspiration and some ideas for your own turkey meals. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, like the video, and just stay tuned for some more epic outdoor content because it's coming your way.